Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2018 Dodge Journey SE. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.4-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get that nice backup camera. We get a little roof spoiler, mud flaps on the rear, as well as the front. And moving to the front, we do get a nice hood deflector, as well as that nice Dodge grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get plenty of cargo space. You got little storage cubbies on each side, little hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You also get that nice 12-volt. You can lift it up for additional more storage, which is pretty nice, and you can collapse that row if need be. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior. You can move your seats forward and collapse it from there. Plenty of door space in the back. You got a carpeted interior and a 12-volt right there. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have manual seats. We do have that same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Lights and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 99,882 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, got your cruise control, the nice Dodge logo, toggle-free screen back, you have your modes and volumes all behind the steering wheel. And looking at our screen here, we have our engine hours, coolant, all that jazz. We're just going to go back real quick. And you have your vehicle info, messages, turn off menu, tire, vehicle, and all that fun stuff. Over here we have our gear select. You got your leather wrap center console with tons of storage, cup holders, more storage there, aux, USB, and a 12-volt. You got your climate controls right there, plus your hazards, front, all that jazz, traction. Little storage, you got your infotainment system here. With your radio, which you do get AM, tune, audio, info, all that jazz. You got your CD. You also have your climate controls up here, and you do get a touchscreen, which is pretty nice. You have your settings as well. Wait. You got more, such as your outside temp, time, all that jazz. You can turn your screen on and off from right here as well. And above me, your backup camera will show up on your rear view window mirror, which is all pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7885, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.